How to make grass killer. Homemade grass killer does not have to be difficult to make, especially if you are not worried about killing other plants in the area of the vicinity. One of the most widely used, tested and accepted methods for homemade grass killer is vinegar. Highly acidic vinegars work best because acid is what kills the plant. Highly acidic vinegars can be purchased at farm supply stores and select other retailers. A mixture of dish soap and vinegar is even more effective, although it does not retain the organic and natural properties of vinegar alone. Things you will need: highly acidic vinegar higher than the 5% content found at grocers. Dish soap. Pressure pump sprayer. Application: pour acidic vinegar into a gallon sprayer. Add 1 ounce of dish soap per gallon of vinegar, if you choose to add soap to the mixture. Spray unwanted grass. Where there is no risk of damaging plants you would like to keep, consider pouring instead of spraying. The vinegar will then soak to the roots. Apply again if grass starts coming back. The vinegar works by soaking the moisture from the leaves. Spraying the first time may allow the roots to produce a new plant, but it will be considerably weaker than the original plant. Tips: warnings. Spraying in full sun can accelerate the process. The dish soap can also aid the vinegar by breaking down the waxy covering on the plant. It also makes the mixture slightly thicker and less runny. Some people add as much as 20% soap to increase these properties. This is a plant killer, not specifically for grass or weeds. It will kill or damage all plants that come in contact with it.